Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Priyanka Tayar Math Classes. Today we will do question number first of exercise 4.4, chapter number 4, quadratic equation. We have already done first and second part of question first. For check first and second part, you can check link in description. Today now we will do third part. Third part is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. For this, we know that standard form of quadratic equation is this one. Then we will compare these two equations, first and second. You can consider this one first part. You can consider this one equation first and second. For this, we will compare second, first and equation. For this, coefficient of x square is equal to 2 in equation first, and in equation second, coefficient of x square is equal to a. So we will get value of a is equal to 2, and coefficient of x in equation first is equal to minus of 6. In equation second, coefficient of x is equal to b. So we will get value of b is equal to minus of 6. Now coefficient of, that means constant term in equation first is equal to 3, and constant term in second equation is equal to c, that means value of c is equal to 3. For this, we have to find roots of this one equation if roots are real. For this, first we will check discriminant, that means we know that b is equal to b square minus 4ac. For this, we will put value of these one a, b and c. We have value of b is equal to minus 6, that means minus 6 square, 4. Value of a is equal to 2, value of c is equal to 3. Now we will calculate these values. First of all, minus 6 square, that means if we multiply by minus 2 times, then we get minus minus plus. So minus will eliminate, and then 6 square, minus 6 square, that means 36 minus. Now we will multiply these numbers. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, and when we multiply 8 by 3, we get 24. Now we have two numbers. One of these is plus and one of these is minus. Then we will these two numbers subtract, that means we will minus 24 from 36. We will get answer 6 by 4, 2, and 3, 2 minus 1. We get answer 12, that means d is greater than 0. We will conclude that d greater than 0 if then roots are real. We will further find roots of this quadratic equation. By according to question, first of all we ask that find nature of roots. Nature of roots, that means we will find value of d. Next part in question, that if the real root exists. Real root exists means if d greater than 0 or d equal to 0, then further we will find roots of this quadratic equation. When we will solve value of d, then we get d greater than 0. So we can find value of x. Value of x means roots of this quadratic equation. For this, we know that value of x is equal to minus b plus minus and root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can write this one formula in this form, that minus b plus minus and root of d upon 2a. Because of, we know that value of d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So you can write instead of d is equal to b square minus of 4ac. That means you can put value of d directly, this one 12. Or if you can't put value of d directly, then you can put value of a, b and c in this formula. So we can solve minus b, we will put value of b. We have value of b is equal to minus of 6 plus minus and root of d. Value of d is equal to 12 upon 2a. Value of a is equal to 2. Now we will calculate these values. Minus minus plus, because when we multiply by minus 2 times, we will answer plus. 6 plus minus and root of 12 upon 4. Now here two sign plus or minus, that means here we will get two answer, that means value of x is 2. Which one? First one is equal to 6 plus 12 by 4, or next one 6 minus under root 12 by 4. If you can calculate this one value under root of 12, then you can calculate value of under root 12 here. If you can't calculate value of under root 12, then you can left here in this form of question like as under root 12 or under root 12. How we can solve value of under root 12? Under root 12 we can solve by factorization method. 12, this one we will make factorization of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1s are 3. So we can write this one question in this form. X is equal to 6 plus minus this one factor is equal to 2 multiply 3 by 4. Here 2 2 2. Here we can take common 1 2 from square root. So I can write here plus minus 2 under root 3 by 4. These are the answers. Values of 2. X is equal to this one and this one. You should exactly know that if we have quadratic equation, we know that if we have quadratic equation, that what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is that equation whose highest power is equal to 2. Which one we have highest power is equal to 2, then answer will be 2. If we have quadratic equation, then answer will be in cubic form. That means क्यूबिक फॉर्म का मतलब क्या होता है, जिसमें 3 रूट्स होते हैं. दैट मीन्स उसकी वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? 3 आएगी. ओके जी, थैंक यू.